In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly meeting times directly into your email. 5 minutes. First, open your browser and go to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log in the top right. Sign in by entering your email address. Click Continue, then enter your password and continue again. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly home, where you can see your event types. Choose the event you want to share, like a standard intro call or a 30-minute meeting. Click that event to open its options, then select Share. From the sharing menu, pick Add Times to Email. This is the feature that creates a neat, clickable list of specific time slots that your recipient can choose from right inside your message. Each option respects your real-time availability and time zone, so you won't accidentally offer a slot that's already booked. Next, select the days and times you want to include. Aim for a small, focused set of options. Often 3 to 6 slots across a couple of days works well. If you work with people in other regions, double-check the time zone displayed so the times make sense for your recipient. You can adjust the date range and pick exact windows that fit your schedule and theirs. When your list looks good, click Continue to preview. You'll now see a formatted block that includes the selected dates and times, with each option linked to your event's booking page. Click Copy Times to Clipboard. Calendly copies everything you need, including the behind-the-scenes links for each time option. Open your email app and compose a new message. In the body of the email, paste what you just copied. You should see clean, clickable time options. Above that block, write a short, friendly note that sets the context, like why you're meeting and what to prepare. Keep your call to action clear. Something like pick any time that works for you is perfect. If your email client supports rich text, leave the formatting as is, so the links stay intact. If you ever see the times paste as plain text, make sure your email is in rich text mode or paste without stripping formatting. That's it. You've embedded real, bookable Calendly times directly into your email, saving the back and forth and helping your recipient lock in a time with one click. Give it a try with your next outreach, and you'll see how much faster scheduling becomes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.